if you're headed to New York and planning to explore the famous financial district in Lower Manhattan, I've got 5 do's and 5 don'ts to make your visit smarter, smoother, and more fun. All right, my number 1 do is visit the 9/11 Memorial Museum. This is a powerful and emotional experience. The 9/11 Memorial is free and open to the public, and the museum, while ticketed, is absolutely worth it. Give yourself time to reflect. And here's a travel tip. Book your museum tickets in advance to avoid those long lines. My number 2 do is to explore Stone Street for food and drinks. This is a charming, historic cobblestone street. It's packed with pubs, bars, and restaurants. It's a local favorite for a happy hour or lunch with a view. And a pro tip, go during weekday evenings to feel the after-work energy. My number 3 do is snap a picture at the Charging Bull and Fearless Girl. They're iconic, yes, they're very touristy, but still worth the photo. Early morning mean fewer crowds. And bonus tip on that is walk a few blocks down to Bowling Green Park for even more colonial history. Our number 4 do is visit the Oculus and Westfield World Trade Center Mall. Even if you're not shopping, the architecture alone is stunning. The Oculus is a modern marvel and makes for great Instagram shots. A pro tip, it's a great place to cool off or warm up depending on the season that you're there. All right, my number 5 do is walk the waterfront at Battery Park. End your visit with a peaceful walk along the water of Battery Park. You'll get stunning views of Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island, and just have that vibe of New York City. And a pro tip, if you have time, catch the ferry to Liberty Island right from here. All right, rolling over to our don'ts. My number 1 don't is don't expect Wall Street to feel glamorous. Let's be real, Wall Street isn't like the movies. It's mostly just office buildings and a few landmarks. It's still cool, but manage your expectations. Don't eat from random tourist traps near the bowl. Some of those food stands near Bowling Green charge outrageous prices. Walk a few blocks to Stone Street or Pearl Diner instead for better, less expensive food. Number 3 don't block those sidewalks. This is not the place to stop mid-walk to check your map. The financial district is full of fast-moving locals headed to work. Step to the side. New York City thanks you. And the pro tip here is keep it moving or move out of the way for everyone. 4 don't skip the side streets. Some of the best gems are tucked away, like historical taverns and hidden elevated art park. Don't just stick to Broadway and Wall Street. And our travel smart tip here is use a walking tour or self-guided app to explore more. And there are a ton of people that are giving those tours that know exactly what to find so that you have an awesome experience. Number 5 don't go without checking the ferry schedule. Planning to visit the Statue of Liberty? Make sure you check ferry times in advance, especially during peak seasons or weekends. And don't confuse Liberty Island boats with the Staten Island ferry. There you have it. 5 do's and 5 don'ts to help you navigate the financial district like a savvy New Yorker. Have fun, stay alert, and don't forget to look up. The history of architecture here is incredible. If this video has helped you out, please consider giving me that thumbs up. If you've been checking out some of our videos and you like how we present, consider giving us a subscribe. And as always, drop down in the comments places that you enjoy when you visit Lower Manhattan. Thanks so much for watching, and you guys have a super awesome